Hello friends, welcome back, and I have another idea today for you in this video, that is popsicle sticks crafts. So also it's also known as craft sticks, and they are versatile and affordable material that can be used for a variety of home and garden decorations. These simple wooden sticks can be transformed into unique and creative pieces of art that add charm and character to any space. One popular idea is to create popsicle sticks picture frames. By gluing together popsicle sticks in a variety of pattern and designs, you can create a custom frame that perfectly complement your favorite photos. These frames can be painted or decorated with embellishments such as buttons, beads, or ribbons to add extra flair. Another idea is to use popsicle sticks to create a unique and functional storage solution. By gluing popsicle sticks together is a grid pattern. You can create a simple and stylish tray that can be used to hold jewelry, office supplies, or other small items. You can also create a small shelf by stacking multiple layers of popsicle sticks together and securing them with glue. In the garden, popsicle sticks can be used to create a variety of decorative items. One popular idea is to create a plant marker by writing the name of the plant on a popsicle stick and placing it in the soil next to the plant. This is a great way to keep track of different plants and add a personal touch to your garden. Popsicle sticks can also be used to create miniature birdhouses, which can be hung from trees or placed on a small stand. By painting the birdhouses in bright colors or adding decorative details, you can create a whimsical and charming addition to your garden. Overall, popsicle sticks offer a fun and creative way to add unique and personalized decorations to your home and garden. With a little creativity and some glue, the possibilities are endless. So this is all about today's video and information. I hope so you like it.